Sponsored by Slimetopia. Also on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's Nishad. Today we're going to be doing someone at the door. Let me go get it. Guys, look what I found at the door. It's my favorite slime. My mom didn't even order this, and I didn't even order this. So we're gonna check the slime out. Let's check it out. Time to check it out. Okay. What? Okay, so look at this slime. Looks like ice cream. We're gonna do the slime test.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
I'm gonna do a slime test. And yeah. Let's do it. So first is the poking test. It pokes really good and it's super soft. Smells really good too. Smell it. It smells like blueberry ice cream. And look, this poke test, now the stretch test, now the sticky test, now, yeah. And then that's it. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Okay. I'm gonna make a pizza. Okay, let's put it in the oven. It's done. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for checking out the slime with me. Bye. It's on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and YouTube. And it can stretch and swirl. Bye.